Hey there, are you facing the Safari cannot open page error on your iPhone? I know that can be super frustrating. This issue might pop up due to several reasons, like network problems or settings that just need adjusting. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Troubleshoot your internet connection. First, swipe down from the top of your screen. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Now go ahead and turn it off. Make sure you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open another app like YouTube to check if it's working. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data, or if you're on cellular, give Wi-Fi a go. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit. Next, tap on Apps. After that, scroll down until you find Safari. Tap on Safari. Keep scrolling down. Tap on Advanced. Now select Website Data. Tap on Remove all website data. Finally, confirm your selection. Solution 3. Restart Safari. Close the Safari app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it completely. Now reopen Safari and try to access the page again. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Disable VPN or proxy settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. Next, scroll down again. Tap on VPN and Device Management. If applicable, tap Off VPN and toggle it off. Solution 5. Update iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to find Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Safari cannot open page error on your iPhone. If you still run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for further help. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Safari is back up and running in no time.